AB Mix Vlog. Thank you so much ha sa mga tulong mo. Ayan. Hello sa aking 5 viewers. Danny, AB Mix Vlog, Tanner. Hello din sa mga nagmamarites lang. Hindi naman nagko-comment. Tapos nandyan lang. Hello sa aking 5 viewers. Ayan. Tuwing gabi talaga, ang dami talagang viewers. Kaya mas maganda mag-live sa ganitong oras. Lagi yan. Umabot pa yun ng 28. Minsan. Lalo na pag ang dal ko. Tapos buo yung boses, tapos maganda yung dating ng wifi, okay siya. Okay, maraming pumapasok ng mga joiners sa live ko. Ayan, 7 viewers, thank you so much. Natutuwa naman ako. Yung trip ko dito sa may hagdan, ano ba yan? Kasi hindi pa ako out sa work. Salamat po, Ate House. Danny, one of the best supporters here in my YouTube journey is AB Mix Vlog. Please support him, Danny. Tanner and Danny, please support him. Just always watch them while doing live stream. Thank you, AB Mix Vlog. I hope na makita kita in person and mag-thank you ako sa iyo in person. AB Mix Vlog. Ay, kakausapin ko si Bogs. Ayan, set niya yung date. Ayan. You just keep the phone, go for the other works. Yes, Danny. Later. Okay? AB Mix Vlog, thank you so much sa support. Alam mo yan, makakakuha ako ng timing para mag-thank you sa'yo. But for now, muna, shout out muna. Danny, please support. One of my supporters, Filipino supporters, very supportive person. One of my good friend, AB Mix Vlog. Just, Danny, support him and watch his live always. Watch his videos. He loves cooking. You know what? AB Mix Vlog Danny is one of the best sharing his cutting skills, his cooking skills. You want someone who gonna cook for you if you're going here in Manila, here in Philippines. Oh my God, I totally said offer you AB Mix Vlog. He cook for you all the time. That's all, Danny. For today's, I was saying at morning stream, kinilig lang ate host. Kinilig lang ate. It's okay, AB Mix Vlog. Ayan, medyo nag-i-English ako kasi lahat ng nanonood dito sa live ko, talaga more on talaga, taga ibang bansa, mga taga America, Singapore, Mexico, lahat Korean, Thailand, Myanmar, lahat sila nag-i-English. That's why, trying hard talaga ako mag-English. Super. Ayan. Baka dumugo. Ayun, mag-English ka na rin para maintindihan ka ni Danny. Danny support you all the way because Danny needs a cook. Needs a cook. Ayan. Ay, hello sa aking 4 viewers. Thank you for staying. Guys, AB Mix Vlog and Danny, thank you so much. Wait lang.
Heart.
Kunin mo daw sa kwarto.
Heart, matulog na. Matulog na. Ay, hindi ang talaga yung si Heart. Heart, umidya ka na ha sa pa. Oo. Oo, matulog ka na.
Ano gagawin din na yan? Dali, go. Guys. Ay. Anybody home? No more! Okay, thank you for staying, guys. Ayan. Mamaya, lilipat na ako dun sa bahay. Magpapaalam lang ako. Kaka-out ko lang. Di pa pala ako out. Anong oras?